The tribunal convened on Thursday to deliver its judgment on the March 25th governorship election in Kaduna. The judgment was delivered via Zoom. Beginning with the pre-hearing matters, the tribunal dismissed the application of the APC governorship candidate, Senator Uba Sani, to disregard the petition of the PDP governorship candidate, Issa Hashiru. It also dismissed Issa Hashiru's pre-hearing notice, citing that it was filed prematurely. In their separate judgment, two members of the three-man panel of the tribunal declared the March 25 governorship election in Kaduna State inconclusive and called for a rerun in 22 polling units of 4 local government areas, stating that the number of voters exceeds the margin of lead. However, Chairman of the tribunal, Justice Victor Oviawe, differed in his judgment and dismissed the petition of the PDP. Counsel of the petitioner and the first respondent shared their thoughts on the judgment.
Yeah, the majority judgment is in favor of inconclusive. Elections were to be conducted in 4 local governments consisting of about 14 what? Oh, the minority judgment affirmed the election. So the judgment of the court is inconclusive.
So what will happen going forward, sir? What next?
Well, inconclusive. Well, naturally, if you have this kind of a situation, there will be issue of appeals. We also don't agree with the position of the court as regards the first arm of the judgment, so we'll test it.
Okay. By the provision of the Constitution, they are required to also consider the petition on merit. So on merit, 2 of them said that election is supposed to be conducted in 22 polling units because the number of the voters there exceed the margin of lead. But they have said that the PDP wanted it to be declared as the winner of the election. The tribunal said that they have no proof that. They allege that there are corrupt practices perpetrated by APC. They said they have no proof that. So in essence, as of today, the PDP petition is dismissed by the tribunal.
INEC had declared Senator Uba Sani winner of the election, having pooled 730,002 votes to defeat his closest rival, Issa Hashiru, who pooled 719,196 votes. Counsel of the PDP said the judgment will be appealed. Abimaja Moses, AIT News, Kaduna, Northwest Nigeria.